Well, hello friends, welcome back to the channel again. Code with me. So friends, in this video, let us discuss about the top 5 software jobs in 2021, which gives you a good career growth as well as the expected salary that you are dreaming. So friends, at present in the 2021, after the pandemic periods, so here are the 5 software jobs. If you are applying for it, I recommend you to please do apply for these particular domains because at presently at 2021 I highly recommend you friends that these 5 particular domains that which I'm trying to show you guys is have well career growth as well as much more better packages. Okay, so before directly jumping to the video, so if you are new to this channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button as well as the bell button icon so that you'll be never be missing any updates. So let us know what are the 5 programming language or software jobs in 2021 which is expected to have a very good career growth. So friends, as you guys expected, we're starting with research in cloud computing. See friends, I assume that you guys are aware that at present data is the only thing that running around. Data is the only thing matters in every of the IT companies. See friends, data might be a small, but it can cost you the entire organization. There is a power of data. So whatever the software deployment, everything is performing in this entire technological era, that's everything is happening in with data. So data is one of the most prominent role for every IT organization and also a part of a cloud computing. I'll let you know what is that. Yes. Okay. So speaking about data kinds, I guess it starts with cloud computing, and we do have big data, and we do have Internet of Things and virtualization. See friends, speaking about the data science, we do carry much about it like cloud computing, big data, Internet of Things and virtualization, machine learning technologies, artificial intelligence, and there are much more variety of applications that involves in data science, which makes you a data science engineer. So currently friends, for past 10 years or 15 years, data science is found to be one of the most top prior IT domain which has a well career growth as well as maximum package paid to every single candidate. So before directly speaking about this criteria of this data science, so I recommend you friends, data science do require a very big education. I mean, like a highly qualified education as well as much more experience if you want to work in data science or cloud computing. And more importantly, it consumes a lot of hard work and dedication as well as maximum liters of your sweat. That is that will be acting as a rent if you are expecting the amount of the salary and the life of the things that you're expecting to live. So if you want to live a life with expected as you are with virtualization, so I recommend data science is the cloud computing is one of the domain which will be the insane criteria packages. Okay, so speaking about in this criteria, what are the things that we're doing? So first comes IaaS, infrastructure as service, platform as a service, software service. This is the most primary objective of data science, which made the data science in the cloud computing standing at the top of all the criterias or all the parameters. Okay, so in data science, you'll be performing core storage facilities. Okay, so we do make use of deployments and we do make of data managements and supervised and unsupervised learning comes under machine learning and machine learning algorithms and much more, and virtualization. And thinking about the technology that is associated with virtualization is quite complicated and good enough. Okay, so friends, if you want to have a very good career growth as well as extremely insane package, data science is going to be the domain which is produced the extremely well growth as well as very good packages. So I recommend high priority. So friends, the first and most highly priority I recommend you guys is to try walking into data science and cloud computing domain. So friends, this is the domains that the company's organization paid to employ extremely way too well. So next comes development. See friends, development. So obviously comes common cause is development. We do have software development, application development, project development, or what are iOS development, application development, operating system development. There's much more of domains. So we do carry Pythons, Java, iOS, .NET, PHP, Androids, as we do carry much more of this programming language to perform these development operations. So currently in this era, friends, software development is that kind of particular domain in IT industry where every starter, every candidate of who is dreaming about entering into a computer field start with the phase of development. So friends, by gaining a much more experience and knowledge regarding, you can move to data science. It's only a kind of possibilities. And even more, if you're trying to the college placements, or if you are jumped to the IT company via college placements, so development is the first priority that the organization try to push you to. So development is another domain in IT company which I highly second recommend you if you want to push yourself to the IT domain, because these domains, yeah, every company has its own packages and industry packages. So I recommend you to develop in the second phase where you will have very good career growth as well as very good packages. So I assume, friends, you guys are aware that compared to the rate of data science scientists, we do have maximum of developers in the world. There is max number of software developers in the world compared to that of data science and cloud computing. So this is the domain which is going to be extremely more popular and maximum number of employees working on this particular domain. Okay, so think about next, database admin or database analyst. You guys must be wondering what is this exactly, database analyst or admin. See friends, as I said before, the world is running with the era, the technological era is running with a data. So if the technology era is completely running with a particular data, so we need to provide a data, a storage, a security, the level of accessibility restrictions, and those will be done by database admin or database analyst. So those are the employees or those are the people who work under this domain, provides the data with next level securities, safeties, accessibilities, and updates every kind of information. So in other words, we do call them as backend developers. Okay, so what highly recommended as database analyst or admin. So that suits fine. Okay, so you guys been wondering that we do make use of SQL, MariaDB Foundation, and LavaRSD. So we do have much more of database software used to store data of any kind of applications or software or operating system. So for every software project, we do must have a database. So until and unless database, there is no software project can be developed. So database plays a prominent role in the development of project. Okay, so I recommend you to data. So speaking about the career growth as well as the packages, I recommend you this domain is paid very well. Depends upon the company standard. So next comes network engineering. You guys must be wondering why this thing came into here. Sounds lame, but keep in mind, friends. See, friends, as every single candidate wants to get into this data science, cloud computing, big data, IoT, so there is less number of people who is working in this domain. So might be possibilities that this. So many of the students might not aware that network engineer also has excellent skill plan to execute. Perhaps these are also extremely very good networks. No matter how strong how secure the server is, how secure the application is, if the network is not well good enough, so application does not work. So in the running of an application, network also plays a prominent role between the server to the end user or whatever it may be. So speaking about the career growth regarding the network engineering is way good enough than I expected. Obviously there might be possibilities that you may enter into this network engineering via college placements, but I highly recommend you, friends. So if you get any opportunities of working in a network engineer, so I recommend you to kindly please accept the offer. Okay, so you guys will be wondering that, so connecting to the cloud networks or water networks, because see friends, connecting a server to the developers to the end user or client point of view, network engineering plays a prominent role in any of the softwares. So without network, I recommend you that your particular product will not be marketalized. Next comes front end or web design. See friends, no matter how small the code may be, how small the application may be, but every people focus on appearance. So this is another domain, web design and front-end development, which focuses on appearance of the software, allows you to finest websites and web pages. Okay, this can be done using HTML, CSS, AngularJS, jQuery, JavaScript. So speaking about this web design, friends, it sounds lame that why did I particular entered this front-end and web designing development inside this top 5 program list 2021. See friends, when you're working on a particular project, okay, front end, back end, network, as well as maintenance department, every domain has its own importance and its own duties. Okay, I'm sorry. Here, see friends, no matter how strong the code may be, how strong the network may be, if the appearance of the application does not look good, people tend to use that. You guys must be aware that before in the world, friends, keep that in mind, before you watch a film, people like to watch a trailer. So based on the trailer, some of the people may judge the film. The same way goes here. By appearance of a particular website, you can judge an application. People do judge an application with the best of an application. So this phase allows you to impress just by the appearance. That can be done using multiple programming languages like JavaScript, AngularJS, jQuery, Node.js. You have multiple languages. So front-end and web designing is another domain in IT company which pays you very well. Okay, as well as career growth is way smooth enough. So friend, these are the 5 software jobs that I highly recommend you. If you get an opportunity to work in this one of these 5 domains, I recommend you kindly please blindly accept the offer. Okay, so friends, the video and share, and if you like this video, make sure you subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.